it's Lazyeye, and I'm back with another one. This is my first video as 24 years old. I'm getting old or older. Anywho, I'm back with y'all know what time it is. It's time for unboxing. Now, everybody knows Zaabox is Black owned, and all the businesses featured in it is Black owned. And it's Black History Month. So I hope they get it out the park for the sake of that. So, the box. It's like 9 o'clock at night and I'm recording. I was supposed to get up, but I celebrated my birthday. I didn't get home until like 4 o'clock Sunday morning, and this is Monday night. So you already know this is how it comes packaged with my little cord. And if anyone's wondering, you're not tripping. My nails are 2 different colors. This is blue, the rest are purple. You're not tripping. Something in here smells very herbal-like. Okay, cute little thing as always. Very long. We're not gonna read that. We're gonna hop into it. Oh, that's what I'm smelling. It is, the theme for this month is Lavender Love. This is, you know what? This is not February's box. This is January's box. Oops. Anywho, let's get to it. Something in here smells real strong. Like, I'm assuming is this. What is this? Ooh. Oh, French lavender sachet. What is this? Oh, I guess you're supposed to just sit it in your room and just supposed to smell very organic. It smells very strong. Don't sniff it the way I did, okay? But it's cute. I mean, if you're into herbal things, I'll probably sit this somewhere on my vanity. But this is cute. And it's in my favorite color. Purple is my favorite color. Okay, moving forward. They always send us chocolates, which I so love. And it's always from Philip Ashley's chocolates. Yeah, they always give us chocolates. This one is dark chocolate and sweet caramel. Can't wait to eat that. Not that I need to. I ate so bad for my birthday, y'all. We're not gonna talk about that. Let's just keep it moving. This is the next thing. This is by Regine Botanical Spirits Body Deodorizer Spritz in Floral Bliss Aromatherapeutic Anti-Odor Complex. And this is what it looks like. It says, oh, spritz 3 to 5 times under arms or until adequately covered. After cleansing, reapply throughout the day as needed, even as an all-over body spray for instant freshness. Shake before use. Oh, this is a spray deodorant. Like, okay, so you guys know I wear natural deodorant. I wear the native deodorant, but I just recently I'm switching to on handmade deodorant. But you know how hard it is. Not only is it hard to find a good natural deodorant, that keep you from being funky. I've never seen a spray deodorant, so I'm super geeked about this. So geeked about that. Woo, okay, we're doing good. This is Mitra's Lavender Body Wash. It's vegan, soy-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. I mean, they ain't lying about this lavender. It's real life lavender up in here. Smell like I'm in the botanical gardens. Yep, that's lavender. Like if you don't like lavender, this month's January's box was just not for you. It's just not for you, sweetie. This is by Tasha Hussey Body Lavender and vanilla body butter. I don't know if you guys can see that. It is. Yep, that's lavender. I mean, I keep saying that, but I mean, like, one of the first boxes I got from Zaabox was coffee inspired, coffee theme. Like, whatever their theme is, they do it on 10,000. Like, everything, like everything here is lavender. I feel like my sinuses is cleared up. Okay, so from the same lady, I'm assuming she's a nice little lady. She also gave us chocolate lavender soap. Like, it's so much. Let me just push the box away. The soap doesn't smell. It smells pretty mild. This is what they look like. Definitely will be checking those out. And then, oh, some more so I guess this one is dark chocolate, this one is caramel, because we always get this box, and this box is always dark chocolate, and this is caramel. So all in all, I think it was pretty interesting. I say interesting not in a bad way. Like I said, if you're not into lavender, this box is not for you. You're gonna be disappointed. But I think they put in some really good items. Like, you got a deodorant, you got a body wash, you got soap, like regular body soap, and you got a body butter. So it's kind of like a theme, self-care, self-love, self-cleansing. Okay, so I do like that. Only thing that was really overpowering is this right here. Like I said, I'm gonna go sit this, my vanity right here, a little further away from me. It does put off a nice smell into the air, but like I said, if you're like sensitive to the smell of lavender, this is not gonna be for you, honey. But all in all, I think they did a good thing. They always try to make it to where, like, you can take a bath, you can take a shower, and once you get out of the bath or shower, you have, body butter to put on. I always really, really, really adore that about Zaabox. Like, they make sure you get like the full spa experience. So I think January was a good box. I'm interested to try. This is the thing I'm most geeked about, the spray deodorant, to really see how this works. But it's nothing in here that I won't use. I like it all. Definitely, very aroma filled. Okay. But other than that, I think it's a cool box. I think it's a cool box, and it's a surprise every month. I don't even know if they do sneak peeks. I have yet to see a sneak peek, so it's always at least a total surprise for me. So I think it was really sweet. I think January was pretty good. Now, I think December's box was better than January's. Like, I'll link my video up in the cards if I figure out how to do that. Where you can see like the difference. Like, this month it was good, but December was definitely better. So I'm definitely interested to see how February is gonna go. Being as though February is Black History Month, Black Panther is coming out. Like, there's a lot of important things going on February, so I'm very curious to see what Zaabox is gonna do. But other than that, I think it was good. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, Zaabox is gonna be I'm gonna continue to unbox that on my channel. On my channel. Keeping BoxyCharm around for now, because if BoxyCharm starts acting like Ipsy and sending me the wrong colors of stuff, we gonna have a problem. But other than that, those are the 2 subscriptions you can always know that I'm gonna have every month. Sometimes I don't unbox BoxyCharm just because I get mine's late, and then there's a ton of videos out. It's just like, do you really need to see a video from me? But other than that, thank you guys for checking in. Thank you for all the love and support you guys show. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!